Good morning at magandang umaga sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat at kayo ay you joined us during this 46th annual scientific meeting. Much has already been discussed about the theme for this scientific meeting, which is really looking at food systems beyond productivity. No? So marami nang sinabi, pinag-usap tayo kanina during the opening. And we hope to discuss them further through this press conference. We are, of course, very pleased to have with us no less than the Secretary of the Department of Science and Technology, Secretary Renato Solidum Jr., and our new academician, Dong Rasco, Chair of the Cultural Science Division and overall Chair of the Scientific Meeting, and our new academicians with us today. So we have Dr. Cleophas, Presencia, Servancia. Kasi formally investiture sila bukas, who is a bee scientist, no? And we have Dr. Joseph Masangkay, veterinarian. Those are new academicians. Our new corresponding member as well, Dr. Homer Pantua. He was very instrumental for us designing the virology and vaccine research program. Hopefully will be the institute. And we expect to have with us, of course, forthcoming former secretary of the DOST and future academician tomorrow, Fortunato T. de la Peña. Okay, so thank you and welcome again to this press conference.
Okay, thank